Hello friends, today we will learn class 8 chapter mineral resources. In this we will cover many topics like organic, inorganic minerals, metallic, non-metallic and many more. Now let's discuss some important facts about minerals. Minerals are present in all the rocks found in lithosphere. The rocks are made up of one or more minerals. The amount of minerals present in a rock varies from region to region. It means it is not equally divided into every region. It can vary, the quantity of mineral can vary from one region to another. A rock that has a large concentration of minerals is called the ore of that mineral. Mining. Mining is the process of extraction of mineral resources from the earth. Methods of mining. As you can see in first picture, in open cast mining, minerals that lie at shallow depths are extracted by removing the surface layer. At the same time, shaft mining is the method in which deep bores called shafts are made to reach mineral deposits that lie at great depths. In third picture, as you can see, also the drilling is a method used to bore deep wells so as to take out petroleum and natural gas that occur far below the earth's surface. The last picture shows that method is known as quarrying. This method is used to take out the minerals that lie near the surface. Distribution of minerals. The distribution of minerals is greatly uneven throughout the world. This is so because rocks are of different types and structures. At some places, minerals are found in abundance, while at others, they are present in very small quantities. Let's discuss this flowchart. Here I have divided the content in 4 columns. First column shows minerals. Second column shows worldwide where these minerals are found. Third column shows within India where these minerals are found, and last is the column for their uses. First is iron. In worldwide, if we will see, it is found in Russia, China, Ukraine, the USA, Brazil, South Africa and India. Within India, it is found in Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Goa and Karnataka. Now we can see the uses of iron. The main ores of iron are magnetite, hematite and limonite. Out of these, magnetite is the highest amount of iron and hematite is most commonly used. Iron after processing becomes in steel. Then steel is used to make machinery, transport equipment, agricultural tools and many items of daily use. Second is copper. Worldwide, it is found in the USA, Peru, Russia, etc. Within our country, it is found in Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. It has high conductivity. It is mainly used in electrical industries to make electrical wires and appliances. Third one is bauxite. It is found in Australia, China, Brazil, India, etc. In our country, it is found in Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Maharashtra. It is the ore of aluminium, and as we know, aluminium is the lightest metal. It is used for manufacturing aircrafts. It is also a good conductor of electricity and is thus used to make electric cables. Next is manganese. It is found in South Africa, China, Russia, Australia, Brazil, India and Mexico. Within our country, it is found in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Jharkhand. It is used to make steel and other alloys. It is also used for making bleaching powder, electric batteries, glass and tiles. If we will talk about gold, worldwide it is found in China, Russia, Canada, Australia, and South Africa. Within our country, it is found in Karnataka and Jharkhand. Gold is very precious and it is very widely used to manufacture jewelry. Last one is tin. Worldwide, it is found in Peru, Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, and Australia. In India, it is found in Chhattisgarh. Tin is used to coat other metals to prevent corrosion. It is also used to make alloys such as bronze. It is also used in making cans for preserving food. Last topic is conservation of mineral resources. Due to the increasing world population and unending demands of people, the usage of mineral resources has drastically increased over the past few years. Once they are exhausted, they take thousands of years to regenerate. Hence, they should be used judiciously. How we can improve it? We can use these three measures. First, try to improve techniques of extraction to reduce its wastage. Second, metals such as iron, gold, silver, and copper should be recycled if possible. Third, mines should be saved from collapsing.